Hi everyone, welcome to another video from GlasWeld. Thank you so much for joining us. Now, if you follow GlasWeld, you already know that here at GlasWeld, we are constantly working on new products and new technology for all things glass. So in today's video, I'm excited to introduce you to a brand new product from GlasWeld that we call HydroGuard. Now, HydroGuard is an ultra tough glass coating that can be applied to almost any glass surface, and it's tough in a couple of really special ways. Number one, it lasts a really long time, especially when compared with do-it-yourself glass coating products and even some of the professional products, including ceramic coatings and other professional glass products that might greatly diminish after a few short months, whereas HydroGuard in many cases can last up to a year on the windshield surface. In addition to that, HydroGuard has the ability to improve the durability of the glass to resist abrasion and pitting and other things that could happen to a glass surface over time. Now, HydroGuard also is special in the sense that it really improves the transparency and the visibility of the glass. That's because the coating is ultra slick, so things like dirt, water, ice, water spots, and other debris just slide right off of surfaces where HydroGuard has been applied. Now, if you're a window tinter, here's why you should consider adding HydroGuard to your existing services. As a window tinter, you're working on people's glass on their vehicles every single day, so you don't have to find new customers. HydroGuard is a perfect upsell for your existing customer base. In addition to that, the margins are great, the application process is easy and fast, and the wow factor for your customers once they're finished with a job is significant. So let's get started and show you how to apply it to a windshield.